What can AI photo filters do for you? This week in the Frameshop, I'd like to show you some new tools that we have for your next project. Now, Photoshop has had some photo filters for a long time. They're not very good. We've used them occasionally. But with the emergence of AI, we have a lot more choices and a lot more tools that we can use. Now, for this example, we're going to be using a photograph from Central Park project. This is from Hue Design. This is the original photograph of the Denver Art Museum. And we have three variations here. These are subtle variations, but you can see as you move from left to right that there is less detail in the clouds. When you get over here, you've lost almost all the detail from this building, and you can see that this one is kind of a softer watercolor look. It gets greater contrast and more of an industrial look as we go to the left. So these pieces look more like posters or paintings. So using a photo filter is a really nice change from straight photography. So now let's look at something that's a little less subtle. All right, getting a little more creative. In this one, we made it black and white and added a crosshatch pattern. This is a black and white version in a watercolor filter, and this is also a watercolor filter. So you've got some nice variation here. All right, so tribute to Andy here. If you ever get to Pittsburgh, you can go to the Andy Warhol Museum, which I highly recommend. It's fantastic. One last example of the Denver Art Museum that I forgot. So here's another variation. Now, the Nob Hill Inn is a dive bar in Denver. It has good reviews, but there's only one picture of this, and it's an internet picture, so it's really low quality. This is the original photograph. They may not really be able to see the detail because the screen you're watching this on is pretty low resolution, but this is a low quality internet picture, and we would not consider this good enough quality to actually use in a project. But when you run it through a photo filter, you get this, which does look really good, and we did in fact use this in our project. So lots of options with photo filters. In this case, we fixed a photograph and we're able to use it. So please like and subscribe. Give us a call about your next project so that we can help you with photo filters on your photographic images. And I'll see you next time in the Frameshop.